The feature is very simple. You plug it in and it goes through its process of reading the voltage on the machine you're trying to jump start. They won't let you overcharge the machine you're trying to jump start, so you don't have to worry about burning up batteries or anything like that. Once it goes through its process of getting it initial charge, then it will go into its jump start feature to allow you to be able to crank on the machine to get it started. I would say that option is priceless. It gives techs who maybe aren't so savvy with welding the confidence they need, where if they had to go make a repair, they know they could turn it on, put all their features in if they use the auto set feature, and they could get the job done, get it done in a timely manner, and get the customer back up and going. I would definitely say with its lightness on the service truck aspect, we have to abide by DOT regulations, and weight savings alone that it saves means you might be able to put more tooling or more specialty tooling in your truck that otherwise you'd have to keep off to try to stay under the weight restriction. So it being lighter allows you to put more tools in your arsenal on a service truck.